Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to turn on dark mode on your Hotmail or Outlook email account. Friends, as we all know, using dark mode increase our laptop battery backup and reduce strain on our eyes due to long computer usage. So first open your email account. Now here click on this setting icon. Friends, in setting you will find option of dark mode. Enable it. Now friends, as you can see, dark mode is enabled on our Outlook email account. From here you can also change theme. So friends, as you can see, I have activated dark mode and changed theme of my Outlook account. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.